There was absolutely no data on kōura in the central North Island lakes, or pretty much any of the lakes, because there was no suitable sampling method to capture kōura. The traditional Western methods of trapping weren't very good because they only catch big and aggressive males. They don't catch many females, and they don't catch any small ones. Diving is often used overseas as well, and that's really expensive, and you've got lots of health and safety issues. I was talking to an uncle of mine, and he said, hey, why don't you try this traditional Te Arawa Tūwharetoa method called the toe kōura. Basically, that works by placing bundles of bracken fern called whakaweku here on the lake bed, like a fishing long line, and the kōura go and colonise them, and they shelter in them, and they use them like little artificial reefs. So we've used to capture large numbers of kōura in the lakes, but there's evidence to suggest they were also used as a mini hatchery. So these things go on the lake bed, and the female kōura go in there, and they breed, and then the little ones are released by their mothers, and then they grow up. So it was one of the few fishing methods that you could harvest from, but it also rebuilt your population. With the toe kōura, we get a good view of what the population is composed of. We found that this was a really good method because it caught a full size range of kōura, as small as your thumbnail, up to the very biggest ones. And we had a even sex ratio, and we caught good numbers. We were very lucky that the kaumātua Willie Emery from Ngāti Pikiao shared that matauranga with us.